on episode 2, same day of Flip It Forward. I did not expect the day to go like it has. So much has happened. We're filming a second episode for the day. Let's go check out everything that happened in a single day. You know, a lot has changed today, but this weeping mortar, it's still here. In fact, I had like 50 doers out here today looking at projects, and they're like, you know, you should really clean up the stoop before you paint it. I'm like, it's supposed to look like that, right? No, it's not. I'm like, yes, it is. They're like, that is so ugly. And they were from Omaha, so thank God somebody from Omaha agreed with us. This was the only project as of this morning that had been awarded, the entryway ceramic. However, it turned into, here's what it turned into. All of the carpet, all of the flooring in the entire house is gone, gone. These floors, I mean, I'm excited. Come on, guys. Like, they're in such good shape compared to, I don't even know what I was expecting, but these look so good. I'm really excited. Now, the kitchen took a little turn as well. While we had doers today coming out and looking at the different projects, getting a feel for the house, getting educated on HUDU, one of them was like, I will take these cabinets out for free. Took most of them out for free, and he'll be back tomorrow for the bottoms. So this was a heck of a deal. Really allowed us to open it up, get dug in, and we're already saving money under budget, and we're on like day 2. So another really cool thing today, apparently this floor plan is pretty common in Omaha. There's at least a couple of them. We had 2 people come in today that have this exact same floor plan. One of them said he blew out both of these walls. No shoring, no bracing, no nothing. Just took them out and went about his day. Could you imagine being able to knock out this wall? That would really open it up. Talk about an open floor plan. That'd be epic. I'm gonna, because of what we're doing and the nature of Flip It Forward, I'm gonna have to talk with the city inspector, see what he thinks, but man, if he gives us the green light to tear out that wall, guaranteed we're doing it. This is by far the worst section of flooring. This was the master, is the master, but still, it's in really good shape. So as we had doers come through the project, like I said, there are a lot of houses in the Omaha area that have this exact same layout, this exact same tile. I mean, down to like the funky green sink that used to be here. The guy's like, can I have this sink? Yeah, you can take it. And guess what? He did, it's gone.
Well, tomorrow.
Oh, funky green sink. It's actually right here, but he tore it out. Gonna come get it tomorrow. Doors are off. I mean, these funky window shutters are off. Places, man, one day. The only thing I expected to do out here today is roll around with Scott Sipker, our Chief Creative Officer, and create some content. Instead, we kicked some ass. We had like 50 doers come through the house today, and man, I love it. Coming together. Wood shelving's gone. Doors are off. Looking damn good. Let me show you the nightmare that was downstairs. Oh, we got to show you our graffiti. So many people were coming through asking, you know, hey, what needs done? I'm like, go into the bathroom. If it's orange, it goes. So we painted. Stair treads, look, awesome, man. This room was the worst. Carpet was glued to the floor, and it took everything we had to pull this stuff up. Me and Scott, we both got our hands dirty today. I hope he got some good video of it. Shag carpet's gone. This was the Austin Powers carpet. All gone, completely out. Man, we had so many great doers come through here today, and what made me think of it was we have an egress window going in right here. There's a guy who claims he can replace all the windows in the entire house for like 10 grand, which blows my mind. Now, we'll see, but if he can, totally epic. Do we have graffiti in here?
Yep.
Another bathroom, all graffitied up. Look, if it's orange, it goes. We're blowing this wall out. We're putting a shower in here, turning that into a full bathroom. So this house will have 3 bathrooms when we're all done. One thing, closing out the day, I want to go talk about this Little Deck Energy. You good with that? Let's go. We were so unprepared for today. Again, I had no idea that we were actually going to remove carpet. We don't have a dumpster or anything here. So it's like, all right, you want to remove carpet, tape it up, put it in the garage. I think we had 10 deck contractors come out here today and price out the deck. Low bid right now on a 18 by 14 foot deck with a 4x4 landing and a brand new set of stairs 4 feet wide, $13,300. That seems insane. So much so that we are now pricing out a composite deck with a 25-year warranty, metal spindles. He thinks we can only go 16.5 feet wide because we've got this electrical riser over here. We have to be so many feet away from it according to code. But he thinks we can do 16.5 feet wide, 14 feet deep, a little bit deeper, and all composite. I mean, if we can pull that off, this is going to be epic. We're going to transform from very lackluster little deck energy to big deck energy. I'm excited.